all of Macon right here. Look at this, how awesome. It's a weekday. You get home from work, get on the boat, come hang out. Benefits of Macon, Georgia. So you can also live on the lake. Lake Life is awesome here. Look what we're doing. On a Wednesday afternoon, you come home from work, you get on the boat, you got the famous fishing pig. Come up here, listen to some live music. You got the marina. Come on out here and have fun. And it's just 10 minutes away from Macon, downtown, so close, schools, everything. What more could you love about this? What do y'all think? Y'all like it here?
Great.
Love
Absolutely.
it.
For a Wednesday afternoon?
Yes.
Let's go to the fishing pig.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, let's do it, Stephen. Got it. Like and glove.
Looks like she's done that before, doesn't it?
Sure. What y'all think? Y'all go grab a quick little bite up here at the fishing pig?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Okay, this is part of the good lake life. Sit here and enjoy the lake. And,
Yeah.
Good food, good fellowship, everything.
Friends, bands, look at this. This is just a regular old weekday afternoon. You sit over here. I mean, what could be better?
Yeah, it's awesome. Very convenient.
You don't have to
Weekend.
drive 50 or 100 miles to enjoy this. It's right
Right.
here, right in
Yep.
your backyard.
Exactly. What could be more fun? And at the fishing pig, come up here on a Saturday night. You got the bands jamming. You got everybody hanging out. Everybody's so friendly. So much fun. You get over here, you can feed the ducks if you got little ones. It's just such a festive time. And then what do? You get right back on your boat and you just head right around the corner. And Mr. Lowe's gonna be marking it down. I hope he would bring his red pen because he's got a house over here that he's trying to help me sell.
Absolutely.
And we thought we'd reduce it, and we have a lot. And it is a wonderful, beautiful house with a pool that overlooks this lake that is 5 minutes from here by boat. Couldn't get any better. Now, if we get this lucky person, we got a lot of interest in it. One of the reasons I wanted to show you this lake is this is part of Macon, Georgia. A lot of people don't even know that this exists, 5 minutes from schools. And Stephen knows a lot about it out here. He loves it.
Yeah, love it. It's a great place. It's very convenient. Like
Fishing?
you said, fishing. You can fish all during the week. Come up here on the weekends. Bands. Very convenient. Close to town.
Yeah,
Just
heck
like
yeah.
you said. Yeah, it's great. Awesome.
Yeah, everybody's just awesome. There's some motorcycles there, over there. You got
Great.
people fishing over there. Then you got somebody was just laying out on a jet ski over here, just laying out, just floating. You got the ducks. You got everything. This is a wonderful, beautiful place, and the breeze on the lake. People don't realize there's such a breeze. It's not as hot as it is everywhere else. Anyway, it is a beautiful place. Come check it out. Come see the fishing pig. Come to 290 Marianne Drive. Check that out. And I'm hoping that you could maybe help me with a loan if I need it.
We can do that.
You
We
can?
can do that.
The Mid-State
100%.
Mortgage.
That's it. We got
Well, I think we got it. And Chris,
Yes,
what you gonna do?
fly the drum.
You! All right, let's go. Let's go take this on the boat.
it. Cheers.
Cheers.